Pylint error with abstract member variable. I have the following code. Pylint reports error. ID E1101A.random_function, instance of a has no name member. It's true, but I don't care, because it's abstract. Is there a way to get rid of this warning, without just suppressing it? Thanks.
It is best to define name in A, consider somebody, or you in couple weeks, wants to inherit from A, and implements abstract_function. Now the following will raise an error, even though nothing in C seems to be wrong. If you are using self.name in A, it should be defined there, and let's say it should default to something sensible saying it's not ready to use. This will make your code cleaner / less error prone, and you will also get rid of the Pylint error.
In your case, I could use the following option. However, it's better to consider adding name equals none to the base class.
If you suffix A with mixin, Pylint will not report it.
If you want us to put them, please use the line and join.